What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to show you guys one of the best things that you can do for your line trimmer to make your life so much easier, and that is replacing the head on your line trimmer to a speed feed. Now, a speed feed can be attached to any other line trimmer out there, and what it allows you to do is replace the line or re-spool it without having to pull anything apart, or having to pop off the cover or remove the spool and start trying to manually wind it on. I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to replace the line with a speed feed. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. Alright guys, so the line trimmer that I'm using is a Husqvarna 129LK. It's a combination version, which means I can split the shaft and put multiple attachments from a blower to a chainsaw, edger, anything that I need, I can swap that over. The upside about these speed feeds here is that you can put them onto any brand, whether it's a Ryobi, it's a Honda, Stihl, whatever the brand is, you can pick up one of these speed feeds and simply bolt it on. If you guys want a video on how to replace it so you can switch your one over, let me know in the comment section below. But for now, I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to replace the line. So if we have a quick look, I'll quickly lift this one here up so you guys can see. Now, if we have a look at the top here, there's simply an arrow right there. There's one on the other side as well. And you'll notice there's a little hole here down on the bottom where the line will actually come out from. So this one here rotates. All you need to make sure is that this little arrow that's up here is lined up with the hole. So I'll quickly click that one over. Now that's lined up with the hole. And if you look straight through there, it's going to be a little bit hard for you guys to see. But if you look straight through, you'll hopefully be able to see daylight at the end of the tunnel. So you can see right there, a bit of light. That means that it's now ready to be loaded. So we take our line. You need about, depending on the spool that you've got or the speed feed, but generally speaking, 3 body lengths. That's 3 body lengths there roughly. Cut your line. So once you've got your line ready, simply push it through that hole, feed it all the way through till it comes out the other side. Pull that one, grab both ends, and all you want to do at this point is just simply center it. So we've got both ends here met up. Simply pull that until it lines up into the center as we've got there. Now all you have to do is just simply click it, and that's going to self-feed. So as we rotate that, we're actually spooling everything on. There we have it, guys. Literally in a matter of seconds, you can have your line replaced, ready to get back to work. Nice and simple. If you guys want to see a video on how to replace your generic or your standard spool head over to a speed feed, let me know in the comment section below. But hopefully this will help you guys out and make your life a lot easier. As always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.